Are you still chasing customers for feedback after every order? Messages get ignored, staff get busy, and insights get lost. What if feedback came to you automatically, right inside WhatsApp? WhatsApp flows are interactive, in chat experiences that allow users to complete structured actions such as forms, bookings, feedbacks, and payments without leaving WhatsApp. Flow replaces long back and forth chats with guided screens, improving completion rates, data accuracy, and overall user experience. Ownchat WhatsApp Flow Builder is a no code platform that helps businesses design, launch, and manage WhatsApp flows visually without developers. It supports dynamic forms, validations, API integrations, payments, and workflows, enabling teams to build production ready WhatsApp experiences faster while strictly following official WhatsApp Cloud API best practices. First, go to the Ownchat website and log in using your email ID and password. Once you are logged in, you will land on the dashboard. This is where everything begins. From the sidebar, click on Flow Builder, then select Create New Flow. In this video, we'll build a post-delivery experience survey using Ownchat's no-code flow builder. No coding, no complexity, just a clean automated experience built in minutes. Let's start building the first screen. Drag and drop an image onto the screen. This creates a strong visual introduction and instantly sets the context for the survey. Next, add a subheading. This clearly tells users what this step is about. Then add a text body. Use this to display short instructions or supporting information for your customers. Now add a radio button for your first question. For example, how quickly the order arrived. You can add options like super fast, just right, or too slow. Simple, clear, and easy to answer. After that, edit the same question and enter the first question. Next, let's capture more detailed feedback. Add a radio button with images. To rate the delivery partner's politeness, use options like extremely courteous, standard, or not professional, and add images to make choices more visual and engaging. Then add another radio button question to check order accuracy. Option can include very accurate, mostly accurate, or not accurate. Next, ask whether all items were included in the order. Use options like yes, everything included, one item missing, or several items missing. Final questions. Now add a radio button with images to understand how the customer felt about delivery progress. Options can include definitely add a relevant image, likely or unlikely, each paired with a relevant image. After that, add a text area so customers can share additional comments. This field is optional and allows users to give detailed feedback in their own words. Once everything is set, go to screen settings and enable the terminal screen. This marks the end of the flow. Now click Build Flow in the top right corner. Then click Publish. Confirm by clicking Yes. And your survey is live, exactly as designed. That's it. Next, let's trigger the flow. Go to Bots and create a new bot. Name it Post Delivery Experience Bot. Set the trigger to text and define a keyword line like Delivery Experience. Once finished, click the Publish button. And here is the magic in action. Your customer types Post Delivery Experience Bot. The bot instantly responds with a form. They enter the details like choosing the options and submit, all without leaving WhatsApp. You get qualified feedback, they get a smooth experience. That's automation done right. Your post delivery experience survey is now ready to collect valuable customer feedback automatically. No manual follow ups, no missed insights, just real feedback. Delivered instantly, build smarter, automate faster. Try Ownchat today and transform the way you engage with your customers.